Well, hello there. My name is Mark Miles. I absolutely love helping trainers, presenters, workshop facilitators really take their presenting game to the next level. And in today's video, I want to share with you one of the major ahas that if you get this, you will have an ability to connect with your audience at the deepest possible level and will really set you apart as someone that's very different to the average trainer out there. And in today's topic, we really want to talk about ultimately your mindset. Now, when you're first starting out as a trainer or presenter, very early on, people fall into the trap. They fall into the trap, the egoic trap of thinking that the training session is all about them. And what we need to really understand at the deepest possible level is if we want to influence an audience, we have to get very good at creating deepest connection with our audience so that they feel like they are fully supported and they are fully understood by you as a trainer, presenter, facilitator. And that connection and that ability to show empathy is so important. And when you're first starting out as a presenter and trainer, as I said, we think it's all about us. We think it's all about our content. We think it's all about, saying the right thing, saying it in the right order, doing the perfect PowerPoint, and getting everything just right. But what we need to appreciate is it's not about us. It's all about them. It's not about us. It's all about them. It's not about us. It's all about them. And I love the catchphrase that I once learned, which was, it's not about me. It's all about them and how they need to hear it so they can achieve it. I'll say it again so you can write it down. It's not about me. It's all about them so they know how to. I'll say it from the beginning. It's not about me. It's all about them and how they need to hear it so they can achieve it. It's not about me. It's all about them and how they can hear it so they can achieve it. Now, when we fully embrace that concept and that idea that training and presenting is not about the trainer, it's all about the group, it's all about the audience, we can start to then think about how can we prepare ourselves as best as possible to fully engage their audience before we enter the training room. And I just want to share with you a simple activity that you can do to really get your mindset in the right place before you enter that training room. So I highly recommend that you grab a pen and get ready to write, because the process I want to share with you is a really powerful process that will keep you centered and focused on the right things before you start your session. So what I recommend that you do is, before you deliver your session, sit down with a piece of paper and write 3 headings. And those headings are think, feel, do now. Think, feel, and do now. And ask yourself, what does your audience currently think, feel, and do in relation to the topic that you're about to share with them? What do they currently think about the topic that you're about to present? If you're going to talk on leadership, or you're going to talk on team management, or you're going to talk on what else, or safety, or it could be any topic at all that you're going to present on in the workplace, what do they currently think about the topic? Are they excited about it? Do they already know a lot of things? What do they feel about the topic, and what do they currently do in relation to that topic? Next, what I want to encourage you to do is grab a brand new piece of paper, and I want you to write those headings again: think, feel, and do. And I'd like you to, on the second sheet of paper, think about, what do you ultimately want your audience to think, feel, and do after your session? And if you can get your mindset thinking about, all right, where are they at right now? What are they thinking about the topic? What are they feeling about the topic? What are they doing in regards to this topic? And what is the transformation that you can create for that audience? You are going to have a shift in your focus to, it's not about you, it's about the transformation that you're going to create for those audience that you're about to speak to. And I really encourage you to write that mantra down. It's not about me, it's all about them and how they need to hear it so they can achieve it. Write that down. Read that before you go up on stage or before you start facilitating your session. Because the more you can adopt that, the more your audience is going to feel that your focus is on them and their problems. Okay. But if you walk into a training session and your focus is all about yourself, how good you look and how good your PowerPoints look or how good your message is, you are going to get lost in the moment. You will not be present and people will feel that your energy is just off. So I really want to encourage you, get a pen and write down those things. Where are they at right now? What do they think about it? What do they feel about it? What do they know about it? What do they do about it? And then after your session, what do you want to help them transition into? All right, it's a great activity. It's something I do quite regularly and something that's so valuable. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you got some value from that. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.